In this video, I will show you how to check send friend requests on Roblox. So if you want to know which persons you have sent a friend request on Roblox, then I'm going to show you how you can see that. Well, first of all, we're going to open our Roblox app, and from here we're going to click on Add Friends. So let's click on the plus in here. So right now we're going to search for people that we want to add. So let's say we are going to type in test, and then we will find some of the profiles in here. And if you want to add someone, then we're going to send this person a friend request. So we're going to click on this plus icon next to the person in here. And as you can see, this will make a friend request being sent. So currently Roblox does not have an option to see all the individual friend requests you have sent to people in one overview, but you can see it when you look at the person with the clock instead of the plus right now. So now I know that I have sent a friend request to this person. So what you can do is you can fill in the individual name or the username of the person that you have sent a request to. And once you do that, you will be able to see if the friend request is still pending or if they have accepted you. So the only way is to fill in the username in this bar in here and then take a look at the person with the clock or the person with a plus. So if it has a clock, it has a friend request sent. And if it has a plus in here, like this person down below in the red uniform, then it is not a friend request being sent. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.